Running! We're running! Run to mama! All right.
You want to go? You want to keep going? Okay. We'll go back. We'll go back. Let everybody else it's first. You want to ride your bike? I know. You want to ride your bike?
I was gonna bring it. Bike, but
okay, come on.
Yeah,
Let's go get your bike.
But
Did you have a push bike too?
no, yeah, it's not a bike.
Oh.
Go on train.
Where's your bike? Where's your bike, Lana?
Okay, we'll go get your bike.
Let's go get your bike. Come on.
Jinx, did she ride her bike? Because they want to go bike riding.